In a bustling city, there were two aspiring sculptors, Leo and Maya. They both dreamed of creating a masterpiece that would grant them fame and immortality in the world of art. They heard of a great competition to find the next great artist. The winner would receive a prestigious commission and have their work displayed in the city's central square. The theme was courage. Both artists were delivered an enormous, identical block of pristine white marble. It was magnificent, but also intimidating in its size and perfection. Leo's approach. Leo looked at the massive block and was seized by fear. What if I make a mistake? He thought. A single wrong strike could ruin the entire piece. This marble is too valuable to waste. He spent days, then weeks, circling the block. He drew thousands of sketches, researched techniques, and sharpened his tools to perfection. He planned endlessly, but he was too afraid to make the first cut. The block remained untouched, a monument to his hesitation. Maya's approach. Maya saw the same block and felt the same flicker of fear. But she picked up her hammer and chisel on the first day and struck a small, simple chip off the corner. It wasn't perfect. The chip was rough. She looked at the small flaw and smiled. Well, she said to herself, now the pressure is off. The block is no longer perfect. I can begin. Every single day, no matter how she felt, Maya would make strikes. Some days, she would carve for hours, revealing a beautiful curve of an arm. Other days, she was unsure and would only tap away small fragments. Some strikes were mistakes. She would misjudge and create a gash where none should be. Instead of giving up, she would step back, reassess, and incorporate the flaw into her design. The sculpture began to take shape, born from a series of actions, corrections, and relentless effort. The day of the competition arrived. Leo had a perfectly smooth, untouched block of marble. He could only present his elaborate drawings and plans. I was preparing, he explained, his voice filled with regret. I was going to create something perfect. Maya unveiled her sculpture. It was a figure of a warrior, not standing victorious, but in the moment of getting up from a fall. One hand was braced on the ground, muscles straining, with a look of determined resilience on its face. The statue told a story of struggle and perseverance. It was not technically flawless. You could see where mistakes had been transformed.